Right now we are following John, one of our sweet friends, and he's taking us to this guy's house where allegedly his entire house is made up to look like he's living in the 50s. So it's really cool. I'm going to talk to this guy, see if we can get you a tour. Here comes some cars. So very cool. We got the okay to get some video. I can't wait to see us because wait till you see the things that I've already seen. It's just amazing. Got some beautiful classic cars. Little Chevy right here. I've never seen one in this model, but it's beautiful. Lowrider action, hot rod action.
54.
Now I get what you're saying for tunnel, because remember the pedals are, you're like,
Your knees are like up and around the steering wheel. It's tight.
But he's not just into older classic cars like that. He also has a Model A. Needs a lot of restoration work. Not sure if it drives. I'll have to ask him. Got these interesting little wheel skirts. Never seen that before. Look at this shop. It's so cool. It's like you're gonna miss out on something if you don't really pay attention.
Auction in Stockton, my friend in what did I call it? I went up there.
It's a cool old table. All these parts, old machinery. Wow. All kinds of neat little historic toy
that guy
things.
They're selling the same, and I got it for $75. He didn't know what it was.
Neat. And if you go up,
And
there's
little banana seat guys, back here.
bicycles hanging in the
Which
ceiling.
I had one for Brent, and I ended up selling it for $5 at a yard sale. Now you can't touch those for $500.
Wow.
the Nerf bars right there, the chrome Nerf bars.
Remember the old
They sold for
banana
$1,000
seats?
last week.
Oh, funny.
Yeah.
Boy, you gotta look all around or you miss something. We're gonna see this other rooms. Wow. That old door going into the house. So cool. Like, how do you live in this? It's like you're living in back in time.
Well, this is why we call it the 50s house, because of the chairs here.
Cool.
Everything's 50s. Look and see the barbecue. They're all 50s.
my
Everything's
gosh.
50s.
I love those old lounge chairs. That is cool.
Yeah, they got the
Wow.
tension where you can rock yourself or.
So cool.
Don't do anything like that anymore.
It is. It's like they're living back in the 50s. This is awesome.
Mark's curb.
Got that cool tiki vibe going. Okay, let's see what's in this shop. Wow. Ooh, he's got fun toys. Some trophies. Very cool. Oh my, look what's behind me. Holy mackerel. I need some sexy music playing right now. Okay, here we go. We're going in. Oh my gosh, this is just so cool. Washer and dryer. Okay, now you actually use these washers and dryers?
We do not use these.
Okay.
Yeah. They work, but we do not have them hooked up.
Wow. This is so cool. What about the oven and whatnot?
The oven and stove are original to the house and they work.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I've walked into the 50s, most definitely. Wow. You actually like live here and do things. But it's just like so perfect. that it looks like it's just for display only. So I had to ask the silly questions, you know, of do you really use that? Well, you probably get that all the time, maybe. I don't know. Look at that. It's awesome. Okay, I'm now in an interesting room with a very cool, interesting TV. Holy mackerels, it doesn't even look like it could be real. He has got trophies galore.
I look at, you know, I watch American Pickers, and they see it as when they jump on those cars. People, the only ones I like is the one I got with my car, you know.
Okay, we are now entering the bathroom. Very cool. I found out that this house was built in 1956, and they were able to keep a lot of the original stuff, the sinks, the tubs, all that kind of stuff, and then add some things where need be. That is too fun.
It's all family. No, that's the only one.
Clothesline, that's awesome.
There. It's all family or friends.
The main bedroom. I'm gonna guess. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, the women's studio here. Making stuff. Wow. Okay, I'm told this is the built-in closet. Holy mackerels. Oh my gosh. Now who built all of this?
Mark,
Mark did all this? Wow.
he painted all the inside here.
Holy mackerels. This is absolutely... Holy mackerels. I am blown away right now. Wow. And it goes into your backyard over here. That is so cool. Wow. It has this little ramp you go up so I don't... And a bar. Oh my gosh. I am just blown away at the creativity of all this. This is just absolutely amazing. I mean, how do you get this all on film? I don't know. This is like so much to take in just with the eye. Wow. So cool. Wow. And then you've got yet another seating area up here. A couple of steps. We've got the little guys down there. Ooh, that is so cool. I like those little birds in the background. It's so peaceful. Okay, go up the stairs without breaking my neck here. Got another big guy. It is. It's so really cool in here. The temperature's like perfect in here.
Oh, you just got a salad on
Sure, I don't think you have the sound.
Probably not if it's just a drop off thing or drop by.
There's, I know they made CDs and DVDs that, this continuous rainforest and all that kind of stuff. And I got one from up in the.
What else would a pirate drink, you know?
But, yeah.
I mean, assuming a pirate were here.
Okay, we're back in the truck. I mean, the video, I don't know. I don't know if it's even going to do this place justice. That was just so incredibly amazing. It was like you just walked into this time capsule of the 50s. And it's like, how could they possibly live there? Nobody lives there. It's a museum. But yet they do. So I felt really silly asking her, do you really use this?
Well, that's a legit question.
I mean, it doesn't look like it's ever been used ever. I mean, somebody set up the house and they're ready to move in, and then somehow they didn't move in.
Yeah.
Time stopped.
Like, golly gee, Mrs. Cleaver, are you gonna move in?
Yeah, so that was pretty trippy. It was hard to wrap my mind around it. I mean, I'm a grown adult, but...
No, you're not.
Well, kind of, sort of. And it was hard for me to wrap my mind around the fact that people actually live there. So, anyways, I know the video probably didn't even give it any justice as to what we just went through, but we're now driving to our next spot, which I'll be showing you in a different video, because I didn't want to miss anything for showing you guys, as much as I could anyway, so I don't want the video to be any longer. But allegedly this place we're going to is pretty dang cool.
It's supposed to be equal. I don't know how we're going to top that.
How are you going to top
I
this?
don't know.
I don't know, but I want to thank Mark and his lovely wife for inviting us in their home and letting us experience this cool life that they've made for themselves.
Thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Cleaver.
Yeah.
Can Beaver come out and play now?
Well, we're going to get going. I will see you soon. I'll be sharing you the next place. Maybe next time for the next video, after we show you the next place that we're on our way to, you can put in your little comments of, does this place even equal in any kind of way?
Yeah,
I mean, can it possibly?
I don't know.
So, all right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. Love you.